Hello traders, welcome back to our channel. Today we are diving into one of the most technical yet practical approach to forex trading. How to master support and resistance by leveraging FOMC data analysis for accurate market decisions. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced trader, this video is packed with actionable insights to sharpen your trading edge. So let's get started. First, let's talk about support and resistance. There are two of the most foundational concepts in technical analysis, yet they are often misunderstood. Support is the price level where demand outweighs supply, causing the price to stop falling and potentially reverse. Think of it, the floor that holds up a market. On the other hand, resistance is a level where supply surpasses demand, preventing the price from going higher. Imagine it as the ceiling that limits the market. Now, support and resistance are not fixed levels. They can shift based on market conditions, and that's where dynamic support and resistance come into play. For example, moving averages or trend lines can act as these levels in a trending market. A 2-period moving average for intense often serves as strong support or resistance in higher time frames. When price breaks through a support or resistance level, it often comes back to retest that area. This is called a breakout and retest strategy. A great way to confirm a trade setup. Now let's shift gears and talk about the Federal Open Market Committee or FOMC and why it's so important for forex trader. The FOMC is a part of Federal Reserve that sets monetary policies including interest rates. When they make announcements and the market listen closely. Why? Because interest rate decisions impact the strength of currency. For example, if the Fed raises interest rates, it's usually strengthens the US dollars as higher rates attract more investment into the currencies. On the other hand, if the Fed lower rates, it weakens the dollar. So how do you analyze FOMC data? Here are the 3 steps. Understand the interest rate decision. It is a hike, cut or hold. Look at the forecast and compare it to the actual results. Any surprises will cause volatility. Focus on the Fed's economy projections. The Fed provides clues about their expectations for growth, inflation, and unemployment. This gives you a roadmap for a dollar's future. Is the Fed chair being hawkish or dovish? Now let's talk about what is hawkish. Hawkish means they are leaning towards raising interest rates, while dovish suggests that they might lower them. Let me show you how this worked in real time with the past FOMC announcement and how Euro-USD reacted. Here is where things get really interesting, combining support and resistance with FOMC data. This idea is very simple. Align your technical setup with the fundamental pictures. For example, let's say you have identified a strong resistance level on daily chart for GBP-USD. You have also noticed that FOMC meeting is scheduled and the Fed is expected to raise rates. Now, if the price is approaching that resistance level, you can anticipate a potential reversal if the dollar strengthens after the announcement. Wait for the FOMC announcement. Observe how the price reacts around your resistance level. Look for confirmation like a bearish engulfing candle or a break below a moving average. This combination of technicals and fundamental analysis added a layer of precision to your trading decision. Let's break everything down into a simple step-by-step plan. Start by identifying key support and resistance level on a higher time frame like the daily or a 4-hour chart. Keep an eye on economical calendar for FOMC meetings and other high-impact news. Before the FOMC announcement, plan your trades around support and resistance level. Use pending orders or small risk trades during volatile event to maintain or manage your risk. Finally, review price reaction post-announcement and adjust your strategy accordingly. Remember, patience and planning are your greatest allies in forex trading. To wrap up things up, here are the key takeaways. Support and resistance level are your technical map. FOMC data gives you the fundamental context to navigate the market. Combining both methods allow you to trade with confidence and precision. As I always say, the market rewards those who prepare, not those who predict. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more trading insights. Let me know in the comments how you use support and resistance in your trading. I would love to hear your strategy. Until next time, trade smart, stay consistent.